Today I want to give you a bit of insight on how you can deal with photographers who are perverts. And as you may know, these are one of the problems that aren't addressed as much in the modeling industry for probably many reasons, but I would say that one of them is the fact that many newbie, particularly young models, tend to fall prey into such situations. So if you want to know how to deal with them, then this video is for you. Stick around. Now the first thing I want to talk about is changing on set. Now you may find that some professional photographers actually do give you space or let you change in a private enclosure for a different shot. They don't just give you clothes and let you change on the spot while everybody's looking, as you might find those situations happening in particular test shots. Now, especially if you are doing nude, you should be very cautious on that. If you feel uncomfortable about something, talk to your makeup artist or your agent about it. Don't sacrifice your self-respect because you feel like you really need this opportunity. Speaking on inappropriate touching, this is one instance that is probably the most familiar across all modeling types. Whether you are doing commercial, bikini, plus size, whatever category, most models have a story of being touched inappropriately during a shot. And the targeted ones are the ones that are new to the industry and become too trusting because the photographer knows best, either with posing, where they fix your positioning by touching your leg, your waist, or your neck themselves without your approval. Rather ask him or her on what part of your body should you move yourself and do so. The other one is do background research. Even though this might not sound that helpful, but try and do research on every shoot you are going to. I mean, without leaving out the fact that anybody can be a photographer. So it might be hard to tell as to who is credible enough because you might get DMs on Instagram of people asking you for photo shoots. So you have to be very cautious on that. Now this is as real as it can get. Share your location with your friends or your parents. And if needs be, take somebody else with you. Don't be transparent. Avoid situations where you are going to locations where you'll be alone with a photographer. And if something doesn't feel right, don't go with it. Follow your intuition. Stand your ground and have self-respect. If you lose an opportunity because you said no, then it's not the end of the world. Something else will definitely come by because this is your body we're talking about here. So I need you to promise me that you'll take this video into account and do some research. And if you have been touched in a way that feels inappropriate, how did you deal with it? Do comment below and leave a like in the process. Thank you for watching and take care.